How you doing? And welcome back to Skullcam. In this episode, we're going to upgrade the 7-volt battery and the brushed motor system to a 3-cell LiPo and a brushless system. So we've got the car pulled to pieces, ready for the upgrade. I've taken the engine out and all the necessary parts. Let's open this box and take a closer look. There's the old setup, and over on this side, that's the new setup going in. The next thing I need to do is to take this pinion gear off and put it onto the brushless motor. Now let's stick it onto the mount. We've got the motor mounted to the bracket. Now let's stick this back on there. We've got the back end on. Next, let's do the speed controller. We've got the speed controller in, got the wheels on, we've got the body on. Let's take it out for a spin, see if it even works. So we're outside, we're down at the car park. Let's test it out. That was flying, so much more powerful. Man, the power in this car is just ridiculous. It's absolutely wild. Let's take the cover off and check it out. Make sure it's all good. ESC is a little warm, but definitely not hot. Engine, tiny little warm. The battery and the wires seem fine. I think I'm going to have to gear it down. This thing is crazy. Got some crazy fun in the dirt. Check it out, the body pin came loose, but we didn't lose it because it's connected to the piece of string. So we're back inside after that day of changing the engine over and giving it a good bash. The car seemed to handle it fairly well, nothing broke, it didn't overheat. I do think I want to gear it down, it's going just a little too fast for what I need. And before I end this one, guys, I just want to say a big thanks to all the Skull Camp subscribers. Don't forget to leave a thumbs up for a like, leave a comment if you have any questions or anything to say. And until next time, look forward to the next episode of Skull Camp. That's a wrap.